calamity at all.
Devastating monsoon flooding in India, the worst the country has seen in 100 years.
The death toll is at about 400 people, and the number of people who are displaced and in relief camps are in hundreds of thousands.
Sujit Menon is the president of the nonprofit Kerala Club of Detroit and from the state of Kerala in India. He describes a terrifying situation as the rain continues to come down.
The roads that you see, it's not like stagnant water, it's like flowing water. It more looks like a river than you would not even imagine there's a road there. And people are actually on the roof and they're being rescued in a lot of instances.
He says people have lost everything.
But when they get back, in most of the cases with the mudslides and stuff like that, landslides, you might have nothing to go back to.
Menon and his group have started a GoFundMe page to raise funds to help the families in desperate need.
We are trying to make sure that we are able to get the basic necessities for people, because that's lacking, because they don't have food, they don't have water, they don't have clothing.
He says several members of the Kerala Club of Detroit were visiting India, then the flooding wreaked havoc. They are stranded there, and in the meantime, they're jumping in to help.
In 72 hours after starting this particular GoFundMe campaign, we did our first project in a place where we actually started providing them food and clothing and stuff like that.
He's urging people to contribute whatever they can. We will put a link to their GoFundMe page on our website, fox2detroit.com. Menon says their club canceled their upcoming annual party and instead using that money to help the people of Kerala.
It doesn't make any sense for us to be celebrating when our people, our brothers and sisters back in Kerala, are not even able to eat a meal properly.